Selenium may be the culprit for mass extinctions, and tap dancing could tell us how birds communicate. This is Science Wrap. Hi, and welcome back to Science Wrap, the show where we feed you the tastiest new research from the world of science, all wrapped up in an easy-to-digest package. My name's Miriam, PhD and science lover. Research published in Gondwana Research, yep, that's a real journal by the way,
Yep.
suggests that the mass extinction of dinosaurs may have been caused by critically low levels of trace elements, particularly selenium. Selenium is important because it helps enzymes to function. And what's really interesting about it is that it's crucial for most organisms, from bacteria all the way through to humans. The scientists in this study measured trace element levels in fossilized ocean mud called shale from various time periods, from 410 million years ago to 350 million years ago. What they saw was when there were rapid drops in trace element levels, particularly selenium, that was also when a mass extinction occurred. Basically, the levels were so low that they caused disease and even death. So as well as that massive meteor, we may need to add selenium as a culprit to what killed the dinosaurs. My only critique of this paper is that it's a correlation and not a causation. It's like saying the more people there are at the bus stop, the sooner the bus is going to come. Then again, it's pretty hard to carry out experimental studies on creatures that no longer exist.
And now for something completely different.
Biologists have filmed birds using a high-speed camera to show they're doing their own little tap dance. Both male and female cordon bleu birds bob up and down as part of their courtship displays to their partner. These displays are also accompanied by a song. If you look at these dances in slow motion though, what you can see is that as well as the bobbing, the birds are actually doing a little tap dance. The scientists think that this tapping might produce vibrations, which go along with the visual and acoustic parts of the display. They also noted that these displays aren't different between males and females, but they are different between individuals. This is probably because cordon bleus are monogamous. Unlike other species, where males are trying to attract many females using their courtship displays. Okay, but wait a tick, this is all sounding very familiar. Remember last time when we were talking about plumage colour in birds? If you haven't seen that video, you can watch it here. Scientists there thought that both males and females could have bright plumage if the pairs were monogamous. And it's the same deal here. This all adds up to biological displays and signalling being species-wide, rather than just between males and females. Kind of makes sense though, eh? I mean, we don't just pull out our awesome dance moves to show off to a potential partner, we also do it to show off to our friends. Yikes, better wrap it up there. That's the latest news from the world of science this week. Now, I've got to announce that I'm going to be ramping up the videos over summer and I'm looking for some ideas. So if you have a science question that you want answered, head on over to the Science Wrap Facebook page and leave me a comment there, or leave me a comment on this video. If you've got some ideas for videos that you want me to do, then tell me about it. But in the meantime, don't forget to subscribe to stay up to date.